Hello everyone, it's Unreal Question and Answer. Recently I received a commentary about mobile rotation, stating that it stopped working in Unreal 5.2. That's why in this video I will show you how to fix smooth rotation for mobile. First, open the BPI character interface, add a function called setRotation with an input parameter rotation of the rotator type. Next, open the player controller and replace the setActor rotation with the setRotation function. Also disable rotation updating in the event seek. Afterward, open the character class and the movement event graph. Implement setRotation as an event handler and set the target rotation. Lastly, open the project settings. If you have disabled Always Show Touch interface and use mouse for touch, you should enable these pins to test. Everything is working now. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.